Is Bitcoin Blast a way to earn real Bitcoin just by having fun and playing games, or is it a scam to stay away from? My name's Michael and I have joined and tested this app myself, and in this Bitcoin Blast review I will give you an inside look to show you exactly how the app works, and more importantly to show you what you can really expect to earn, because this is very important to know so you do it with the right expectations if you decide to join. So before I pull the app up on the screen here to show you around and show exactly how it works, I just want to go over who can join. And Bitcoin Blast is an app, so you need a phone to be able to play it, or in some cases also a tablet. And you can actually join it from more or less all countries. And it is available both in the Google Play Store or also in the App Store, so you can play it both on Android devices and iOS devices. So far so good, but what is of course even more important is how you can actually really use it and if you can really earn. So let's now take an inside look so you can see for yourself. So I have now pulled Bitcoin Blast up on the screen here, and as soon as you've downloaded, you can actually just press the play button here and start playing. But you should actually not do that right away, because then you will not earn right away, because first you need to connect your account with either Google or Facebook. So first you need to click up here in the corner there and then click the get started to connect your account, for example, as mentioned, with Google or Facebook. If you do not do that, you will just play and you will not actually be able to go back and play the easier levels again, and thereby you will be missing out and you will not earn. So this is a very important step if you decide to join Bitcoin Blast after watching this review here. So I will just connect it now and then I will show you how you can earn potentially Bitcoin by playing here. So I have now connected with my Google account here, and you can see I've earned this many coins here so far, and later I will go over how much they are potentially worth. But what you need to do is just to press play here to play these matching games, as it is called, and then you will start earning. So I'll just show you a little bit of how it works. So one thing you need to be aware of is that there are ads coming up all the time here in the app, and that is because that's, I assume, how they make money and how they are able to actually also pay us. But it can be a little bit annoying because they come before you're playing and after you completed a level and all this. But I will just let this ad run out now here, and then I will show you what then happens. And in the case of the ad that I just had, actually after it showed, it opened my Google Play also by itself to encourage me to download the app that there was an ad for. That is quite annoying. So I was actually taken out of the game to be taken into be encouraged to download another app, and then I had to come back here, and then now I can play if I want to. So this is just something to be aware of. But the game itself can be quite addictive actually. So I'll just show you a little bit of how it works. So you just press here, and then I need to get 3 stars, and you can see in the corner up here how many moves I have. And what I then just need to do is to connect these the same colors here, and then they will move down here, and you can connect them all the way here, and they move around all this here. So I think you kind of get the idea here. I'm not going to sit here and play and let you watch it all. I'll just go through a little bit more here and then talk more about the points you get and how much they are worth. So I actually did not complete this level here, but I still got paid. As you can see up here now, I have several more coins, but I just wanted to show something here, because you can see up in the corner here, there's something called Party Power, and every time you play a game or complete a level or anything like that, you will lose one. You can have maximum 15, and then they will automatically recharge after a certain period, but you do not really know what that is or when that will happen, usually once a day. And once you run out of those, you cannot play any longer, and that's something to be aware of also. But I'll now just try to get out of this here back to the screen, because now another ad will show, and I'm not going to force you to watch that, because we need to now talk about how much the coins you earn here are worth. So as you can see, the game itself can be quite fun, can be quite addictive, and you can earn something by doing it, but how much is it worth? So let's now go to the cash out section you can see here. And there is a payout threshold. You can see I need another 7,100 points, or blink points as they call it, to be able to cash out. And what is it then worth depends on the current rate of Bitcoin. And right now you can see that the value of the 4,446 points I have, they are only worth this here. So clearly it will take a lot of time and a lot of effort to actually earn any real value of Bitcoin here. So if you're hoping to become rich by playing Bitcoin Blast, you will definitely be disappointed. So as you can see, Bitcoin Blast is actually a real way to earn Bitcoin by playing games. It can definitely be a fun game, but it will not earn you a lot. The app itself is a little bit spammy actually, in my opinion, because it is a little bit annoying that you have ads popping up all the time, and sometimes the ads are actually redirecting you into your app store to try to get you to download other apps. I definitely understand that, of course, they also need a way to make money. That's how they can afford to pay us. But it's just still a little bit annoying because, in my opinion, Bitcoin Blast can be fun. And if you like playing games like this, then why not earn a little bit at the same time? But however, what you will earn by doing this is just very, very low, and it's just disturbing. So if it's just because you like playing games and having fun, then this just disturbs your flow or the experience because you have to see these ads popping up all the time. So I would say that there are actually both better ways to play games and earn at the same time. I have tested many sites like that as well, and I will leave links to more information about that below this video here. And there are also quite a lot of other different ways you can earn free Bitcoin by doing other tasks. It can be playing games, it can also be watching videos, it can be taking service and more. And I will also leave, of course, links to more info about that below here. And I also have a full review about Bitcoin Blast that gives even more details on my website, and we'll also leave a link to that below this video here. So there's a lot of information if you want to know more about how to earn similar ways or earn Bitcoin in other ways. So make sure to check that out. And also, if this video helped you, make sure to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out, get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.